We got a gift from Smart Parenting. Thank you, Smart Parenting. You say thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see what's inside. Okay, one by one, okay? Let's see. Wow, the bag is so nice.
That is as smart as ours.
Yes, we can use it for grocery. Okay, what's inside? Whoa!
Whoa.
There's a lot. Can you help mommy? Wow! Okay, here. We show there's a Cetaphil baby wet wipes. It's hard to remove it. And then there's another big wet wipes. There's a Smart Parenting t-shirt. And
How to get the
what's
other
this? There's a
one?
letter. There's a letter. It
How
says,
to get the letter?
Dear Mama, there are not enough gifts and words to repay you. That's from Smart Parenting. Okay, and then they also have the Cetaphil Derma Pro Moisturizer. They gave us, what's this? I can't see. There, Zen Nutrients products. There, Zen Nutrients product. I think it's shampoo and conditioner. And then there's more Cetaphil baby. Shampoo and body wash. And another Derma skin restoring wash. Wow. And lastly, they gave us a Bello sunscreen. It's a Bello sunscreen. Look.
Wow,
That's for mommy.
Ooh.
Wow.
Look, guys.
Wow.
It's watermelon, guys.
What? No, it's a sunscreen so that when you go out of the sun, go out under the sun, it's gonna protect your skin.
It's a
Oh yeah, there's a watermelon. You're correct. Ayan, since pareho kami ni Ellie na nakakuha each nitong bag na to as a gift from Smart Parenting dahil dun sa entry namin dun sa Mother's Day campaign nila. So, we're gonna give away itong isang bag para sa aming lucky follower. Ayan, this is yung way namin ng pasasalamat sa inyo sa pagsuporta nyo sa Fun with Ruth,
Ellie,
There. Ayan. So, bubunot po kami ng aming lucky follower and then imi-message namin kayo kung sino yung mapalad na mabibigyan nitong napakagandang bag na to.
This is how you can join.
Sa comment section, magbigay kayo ng 3 lugar na napuntahan namin sa aming vlog at mag-tag kayo ng 3 tao na gusto nyong isama pag nagkaroon kayo ng chance na makapunta doon. Sa lahat ng sasali, bubunot kami ng isang lucky follower sa June 1 na makakatanggap nitong goodies na ito. Ito yung mga pwede nyong makuha. Itong Zen Nutrients Balm, itong Gugu Shampoo, Gugu Conditioner, Oil, at Bello Day Essence Sunscreen. Itong wipes ng Cetaphil, itong t-shirt ng Smart Parenting, Cetaphil Pro Derma, at baby Cetaphil na shampoo at lotion. So, yun lang. Thank you guys. And if hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa aming Facebook page, follow nyo na yung Facebook page namin. And don't forget to subscribe to our
channel.
Thank you guys.
Thank
Bye.
you, guys. When you